about passive income on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to share with you free and low cost tools for monetization to get you a jump start on your passive income journey. Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Even if you've been here before, you're OG, put it down in the comments. I really appreciate you guys for being here. And I want to stop a pin for just a moment to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. We have hit over 1,500 besties here on my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate you because one of the things I do know is that not everyone is going to like your content or subscribe. And the fact that 1,500 of you said yes, that you love my content, that means a lot to me. So we know that on this channel, we talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, and creatives. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also like this video. And if you want to get notifications every time that I upload a new video, there's a little bell that you can hit as well. Okay. Now, before we get into today's content, I have a little church announcements. If you have not already, go ahead over to sharlritadeloatch.com/newsletter and join my daily newsletter where I'm giving you quick 3 invaluable resources and tips to help you to elevate your digital publishing business. Come join over 500 plus writers and publishers that's really changing the game for their business. Plus, I want to give you a free gift, a swipe file of 50 plus creative ways to turn your writing skills into money. It's free to join. I have the link in the description. Listen, if you need some coaching, if you need accountability, then the Passive Profits Collective is the community for you. Not only will you learn how to create these passive income streams that I talk about here on my YouTube channel, but you also get community, you get accountability, and you get coaching. Because every Tuesday night, we have a coaching call where you're able to come in and get your questions answered. If you're stuck on something, you get my expert advice. And not just me, but the amazing women that are already in this community are experts in their own right. So you really get a lot for the price. But come on over and join in the community. You will not regret it at all. So I put the link in the description as well. Let's get into today's content. Well, I'm going to give you these tools. So the first two is Canva. If you have not heard about Canva or you're not using Canva in your business, you are missing out. And Canva is a free graphic design platform that allows you to create those stunning visuals for your social media, blog posts, presentation, and more. Now, it also offers a whole library of free templates, photos, illustrations to make it so easy for you as a designer. I love Canva. I'm not a designer, but I love playing around in Canva. Okay. You can create some good stuff in Canva. They have a free version that you can try just for free. There's no time limit on that. But just know if you do the free, you're only going to get access to a limited amount of things that they have. But if you want to upgrade, I think it's like $12.95 a month. It may be a little bit more. I know that I pay for a year. So I know that I pay less than, it may be $100 a year, which is not bad for Canva. So go ahead and try it for free, but every business owner needs this in their business. Okay. Another one is called InShot. Now, InShot is a free video editing app that you can have on your phone. So when you're on the go, you are creating those behind the scenes videos or you're creating those day in the life videos. You want something that you can cut it, you can merge it, you can add effects to your video. InShot is a great app for you to use on your phone as well. Okay. So it takes the necessary work out of when it comes to editing your videos, especially your short form content that you may put on YouTube or maybe even TikTok. Okay. The next one is Medium. Now, Medium is one of my favorite platforms right now because Medium is the place where I've created an amazing community. I get to write and share my think pieces. I get to share my expertise on the platform by publishing articles. I can publish stories. And guess what? The audience is already there. Okay. The audience is already there. Medium itself has the audience there. All you have to do is just find your people. Okay. And it's so easy to do. It's one of my top platforms that I use in my business. And here's the thing. You can also make money from Medium. So not only can you go and publish for free. Yes, you can publish for free. There's an option if you want to become a friend of Medium. I think I pay about $5 a month just to become a friend of Medium. And there's some different pros and cons to that. But you get to write for free. And not only that, you get to unlock and make money on there as well. So never heard anything at all, and it's so easy to join their program where you can get monetized. But it's if you love to write like me and you like to share information, Medium is definitely the place for you to be. Okay, another free tool is called Share Sale. Now this is something that I just discovered. I'm just navigating on the platform, but this is an affiliate marketing network, so it is free to join, and it allows you to connect with those thousands of brands offering commission for promoting their products. So if you're getting into a space where maybe you are a UGC creator, that's a user, UGC is a user generated, I forgot what UGC stand for, y'all. But UGC creators are creators that create content for brands. Okay, it definitely was the influencer era years ago, but now is more companies are getting more into the UGC creators, where they are, just ordinary creators like you and me that really we don't have all of the following, we don't have the millions of people following us or the millions, but there are brands that will pay you, or you can use apps or this website such as Share a Sale, where you can promote and you can still get commission. And you can go in there and promote things that you love, things that you may already use or used before. Go check out the website. You're gonna love it. Okay. And that's the same thing with Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon has two different programs. They have Amazon Associates, which anybody can sign up for Amazon Associates. Okay. Being an Amazon Associate is Amazon's affiliate program, allows you to earn commissions by promoting the products. You can promote it on your website or your blog. Okay. So if you're writing on Medium and you see some things and you want to give some think pieces around what you have discovered or what you purchased, absolutely. I have an Amazon Associates account, but I also have an Amazon influencer account. So the influencer account is everybody can't get into that. I think it's based on, your social, those type of things, but you can't apply for it. Okay. You can apply to be an influencer, but either way, how it works, whichever way that you decide to do it, you can put those links on your blogs, on your website. I do it all the time for Medium, especially when it comes to books, because I talk a lot about books and publishing. So anytime I'm recommending a book, I'm always putting my link, okay, even on my blog, on my website. So Amazon Associates, so easy. If you're already shopping at Amazon anyway, this is going to be easy for you. Okay. Another website is Printful. Now, Printful is a drop shipping service that allows you to create and sell custom printed products like t-shirts and mugs and phone cases. You don't need to hold any inventory. Printful handles the fulfillment for you. Like, this is amazing. There's plenty of other sites, but I'm used to Printful. You have Printify as well. They pretty much kind of work the same. But if you have a logo that you want to put on things like t-shirts and mugs, you can do that. And maybe you want to sell those items, someplace like on Etsy. So that's a different way that you can think about doing that too. Okay. So think about Printful, and you don't have to keep any type of inventory on hand. All you have to do is just upload your designs, pick whatever inventory you want, set up your shop, and you have to market it. Okay. You have to market it and put it out there. All right. Here's another one, Anchor by Spotify. I used to use Anchor a long time ago, but it was bought out by Spotify. It's a free platform for podcasting. So if you like to podcast, maybe you don't want to use YouTube, but you want to podcast, Anchor by Spotify is a great place for you to start. Again, it's free. They used to have ways a couple of years ago that you can monetize. I'm not sure if that's still open because I no longer podcast for right now, However, this is a great platform to start if you want to, if you've been thinking about hosting a podcast and it's been on your mind and you're like, okay, I want to do a podcast. Just start with Anchor. It's so easy to use. You can even record on your phone. They have an app too on your phone. I remember I used to record my podcast from my phone, and that's when I did not have a mic. I didn't have all those things, but I recorded on my phone. And what I love about Anchor, Anchor by Spotify, is that your podcast will not only be published on Anchor, but it will also be published on Apple Podcasts. I think it's Google Podcasts. There's many different places that your podcast can be published. Okay, so check out Anchor by Spotify if you want to publish a podcast. All right. Gumroad. Now, Gumroad is a simple platform for selling your digital products, or your membership. Gumroad is free that you can use. They do charge a 10% for each sale that you make. So you have something for $10, they're going to charge 10% for that. Okay. So just know there's a 10% flat fee, and it could be great for someone that's just starting, or it could be great if that's the platform you want to use. That's the platform that I use for my digital products. I love it. I really, really like it. I also like that they have a store. They have like it's like a store where they push your product out to other people that can buy your product. It gives me the vibe of Etsy. It gives me an Etsy vibe a little bit, except for it's not a whole store, but it's somewhere where you start if you want to get your products. So now you do want to charge a little bit more for your products because they have to get their cut too. So I like the model that Gumroad has, and it's so easy to set up your digital products, or you could have a membership in there as well. All right. Now this is something different. I know that I talk a lot about passive income tools, but this right here came to mind as well. It's Acorn and Robinhood. So if you're thinking about, not the traditional way of creating content, you can invest. So there's some apps here, Acorn and Robinhood. I have tried Acorn, Acorns. Okay. I have tried them before. They're both legit. Acorns does have a low monthly fee. But if you have some money and have some extra cash, you want to put it somewhere where you can invest into different stocks and markets and earn passive income through that, then you can do that as well. Okay. So thank you guys so much for coming to my YouTube channel, or view on my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments if you know any other tools or free or low cost tools that'll be of value to those that are watching this video. You put them in the comments, and make sure I give you a thumbs up for doing it. And I appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next time, I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. All right. Talk soon.